Why do you say you've kissed the ground I walk on? You should have killed me instead. I'm so tired. And I feel so lost. I've been walking through my life like a ghost. No home, no purpose, no rest. I wanted to be an actress. Oh, I believed in it. I thought it was everything, the stage, the lights, the applause. But now, now I know it was all an illusion. A cruel, glittering lie. They do not love me. They laugh at me. I have failed. I have lost everything. My heart, my soul, myself. But still, I feel it. That fire, that hunger, it does not die. No matter how much they trample it, no matter how much I break, something inside of me still fights. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's madness. Maybe it's hope. But I will go on. I must. Even if I walk alone in the dark forever.